right, we should be up and running here in just a second. Yep, both streams should be up and running here. We'll be going over today's plays as well as what to expect from the market moving into the rest of this week. Big earnings week. So, very excited for that. Let's go ahead and get started. Good afternoon. This is Ifan from the Strategic Day Trader, and this is your market wrap for April 26th, 2021. Q's closing up 0.65 there. SPY up 0.2. If you were with me this morning trading the open, I said today I'm kind of expecting a narrow range because we've had some wide range days the last few days, and especially some conflicting ones. We had a wide range green bar followed by a wide range red bar and then wide range green bar. So we're bullish, but just not expecting too much from today's price action. So we will be bullish still going into tomorrow. Larger time frames, especially weekly, monthly, are all very bullish on the Qs and SPY. Okay, so pretty straightforward uptrends across the board here, and the focus will be on good gaps. All right, so let's go ahead and get started on that. And so that's something you'll notice too. Even though we're bullish here, actually today for me the shorts worked better. Okay, so let's start. We'll do them in order. If you were trading with me at the open, you know what I played. Start off with the ACI. Okay, ACI, I like that it's gapping underneath this bottoming tail. Let it break support first, and then I played it as a 1 minute base breakdown right here. Base breakdown, declining 20 MA. I did an add right here underneath 18, but it didn't end up making anything because that portion actually trailed at the same spot. So the runner didn't make anything. You see that's where it trailed because I was trailing off the hourly. Okay, so I was looking to hold this as long as it was going to be in a downtrend. Did get to a first target here. Volume picked up. That was definitely an issue, or at least a warning sign that the bottom could be in. It did end up being the bottom there. You can see kind of breakdown, big volume, and then reversed. So, and then the runner did end up, the ad did end up trailing right there over that topping tail off of the hourly. So ACI was okay, didn't make too much on it. Did start off, had a nice, downtrend going there for an hour or so that we were in it, and then eventually found a bottom. The next play was the NYCB. Played this as a breakout here. I knew it was a little bit aggressive. Was looking for that to take out the top and maybe clear some resistance here on the daily if we did. I liked it a lot, but as soon as it triggered, it came right back down, so I just killed it. So it did lose a little bit on this NYCB. A little bit of an aggressive play. I don't like how it's kind of much of a run-up it got in the morning, so it was something that I think I found a little bit after the open and liked the setup a lot, and maybe a little bit too aggressive due to the daily. So this one, maybe a little bit too aggressive, but I'm not too bothered by it really because, sometimes, yeah, it's just going to happen. I thought it was worth a shot, didn't follow through. And then the next play was the ACI, okay? So the ACI, not the ACI, sorry, that was the first play. FSM was the next play. So this was the other short. So you can see the ACI was the first short, FSM was the next short. So this was a gap down. Okay, so nice gapping underneath the 20, gapping and then breaking the 200 there on the FSM. And then played it as a 2 minute base breakdown here off of the 20 MA. Okay, and this one, first target was 650. We did get there, and then the rest to hold to see how much we're going to get on that. And you see hourly held all day there. So I did the same approach as I did on the ACI. ACI did trail. FSM, though, did continue all day. So when I'm trying to be in something all day, then that's my trailing methodology. Because even though that was, what I was looking to do on the ACI, that doesn't necessarily mean that if they don't do that, I have to give the whole thing back, which the ACI, I would have basically given the whole play back. Okay, so I just trail it off the hourly. I know when the bar is going to form. I use the 65, but I know when the bar is going to form. So, if I have to force myself to be just a little bit more patient, it's a little bit easier than waiting for pivots, because pivots, you never know when exactly they're going to finish forming. So then significant pivots, you got to wait even longer. Okay, so those were the plays from today. I thought, yeah, overall not too bad there. ACI still made some, more than made up for the loss on the NYCB, and then a lot of the day was made from the FSM, which was able to kind of stick with there until the end of day. Okay. So those were the plays from today. I also saw some nice scalps. I missed out on a lot of them. So if you were focused there, hopefully you did well there. But, I'm liking what I'm seeing the last few days here on the gaps, on the follow through, on the trends that we're getting. So, expecting more of that this week. Okay. All right. Hope you did well today, and we'll be back at it tomorrow.